Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
Are you ready to transform your Shopify store's navigation and wow your customers? In this video, I'm going to walk you through, step by step, how to set up a Shopify mega menu in 2025. By following along, you'll turn that basic drop-down menu into an eye-catching, super organized mega menu that makes browsing your store much easier for your visitors. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify admin panel. Head over to the left sidebar and find Online Store. This is the hub where you manage everything related to your storefront's appearance and customization. Click on Online Store and then select Customize. This button is your gateway to the theme editor, where you can see live previews and tweak your store's look in real time. Once you're in the customizer, you'll notice a preview of your homepage with a navigation bar at the top, your current menu. Most likely, the menu displays as a standard drop-down type right now. Drop-down menus are fine for simpler stores, but when you have a lot of categories, think fashion lines or tech products, a mega menu can make things much more user-friendly. Mega menus let you show multiple categories at a glance, making it easier for shoppers to find what they're after, almost like smoothing out a tangled ball of string, so everything is visible and easy to access. To change the menu type, look over on the left side of the customizer window for the Header section. This is where your main navigation lives, so click on Header. If you have a lot of sections, take a moment. No need to rush. Sometimes these panels can feel a bit intimidating if it's your first time, but you're in the right place. Now, shift your attention to the right side of the screen. Here, you'll find all the editable settings for the header, including options for your menu. Locate menu type. This controls how your store's navigation menu behaves and looks. Click on that setting and a drop-down will appear. From the drop-down, select Mega Menu. This tells Shopify you want to switch from the simple drop-down layout to the expansive Mega Menu style. If you're wondering what difference this makes, picture the Mega Menu as a wide-open desk versus a cramped drawer. It lets you lay out all your navigation options, making complex stores feel much simpler to explore. If you're not seeing the Mega Menu option immediately, don't worry. It may be available only on certain Shopify themes or after theme updates. If it's not there, check your theme documentation or Shopify's Help Center for advice on enabling this feature. Now that you've selected Mega Menu, go ahead and hit Save. This step is crucial. Without clicking Save, none of your changes will actually appear on your live store. Sometimes the Save button takes a few seconds to process, especially if your store has a lot of custom content, so be patient. Once it's done, navigate to your live storefront and admire your new, spacious mega menu. And that's it. You've successfully upgraded your Shopify store's navigation in just a few clicks. Having a mega menu will help your visitors find products faster, which can really improve their shopping experience and even boost your sales. If you found this guide helpful, go ahead and hit that like button and feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions or need help with a specific theme. For more easy-to-follow tutorials like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you never miss the latest Shopify tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.